So we have this lovely Jeju fish. We're going to start off by seasoning. You can season it or you don't need to as well, but I just find it kind of just improves the texture slightly. We've got a couple things we need to cook first. We're going to start dicing our vegetables. We're going to start with cooking our red peppers. We want to cool this down, but we don't want to keep cooking this. Going to chop some shrimp. Instead, the bread will just tighten the mix up. See how this first one goes. Just as you're rolling, don't push down too hard, like that. Start by making a classic roux. It's going to make it into a very kind of thick paste. Fresh parsley. Slice the fish for the ceviche. So mixing this into the bowl now. So now I'll add a little bit of oil to this. The cracked pepper, the salt, lemon. And it's really that simple. Give this a mix around. Just going to plate this up.